Alright guys, in this video, we are going to take a look at the HTML page title. Yes, every web page must have a title. And that is why if you go to the browser now and open up any website of your choice, like if you go to Google, you can see that the name of the title of their page is Google, and the same thing on every other website. But on our own, it is still on index.html, which is not supposed to be like that because page title is very, very important, especially for search engines, because search engines will index your website and they get the title of your web page to use their algorithm to decide on how to display your website whenever somebody searches on the internet. So this is one of the reasons why it is very, very important to give your web page a title. So, and for that, in this video, I am going to show you how to give a title to your web page. So right now, if we come back to our text editor here, as you can see that this is a basic HTML document settings. So here now, for us to give this our document, this our HTML document, or this our HTML web page, a title, is for us to come up here in the head element, because here in the head element is where you can add the title of each web page. So here inside the head element, I'll come here and start writing the opening tag of the title element, which is just like this, by writing title and close your arrow brackets. Now I'm going to write the closing tag of the title element at once. Now in between this opening tag and the closing tag of the title element is where I am going to write the name of my web page. So for example, now if you write inside here now as in only page title, then go ahead and save your document. And now go over to your web page in the browser. As you can see here, we don't have page title yet. That is why it is still displaying index.html. But now that we have given it a page title, if I refresh this web page now, then this index.html will go away and the title of our page will now replace it here in the browser tab. So let me refresh the browser so that you see what I'm saying. So as you can see, it has replaced it with what we wrote in that title element. So, but this is not a proper title of a web page, because your web page must have a title that is meaningful. As you know that the title is what describes the meaning and the content of that web page. And that will help your page also in the search engines algorithm. So for that, if we come back to our text editor right now here, then let's say that the name of my web page is Uncle Chinedu. So I can go ahead and write Uncle Chinedu here, or whatever is the name of your web page. So after writing it, I go ahead and save my document again, then go back to my web page again. Now here, refresh my browser. Then now you can see that the name has changed to the new one I gave it now. So whatever is the content of this title element is what the browser is going to regard as the title of that web page. Okay. So, and with that, that brings us to the end of this particular video on how to give a web page a title in HTML. So in the next video, we are going to take a look at how to define tables in HTML. So until then, thank you for watching, and I hope to see you in the next videos.